Hello, everybody. My name is Pablo Sepulveda, and on behalf of the actuarial profession, I'm going to present this topic right here. What is an actuary? Let's start. I want to start with this question. Do you like any of these? Number one, risk. Number two, uncertainty. Number three, puzzles. Number four, probability. Last but not least, number five, money. If you check any of these boxes and the answer is yes, then maybe, just maybe, actual studies might be your thing. Let me explain more about this profession. So, what in the world is an actuary? What does that mean? An actuary, not to be confused with an actor, is somebody that uses math, finance, statistics, and data to try and predict the future, like if they were using a little crystal ball. So, in simple terms, the job of an actuary is to manage and quantify risk to make a decision. So, if I could explain it in a formula, this would be my formula. An actuary is a guy who solves a problem by thinking strategically. You sum those two things together, you get an actuary. But hey, more of a technical guy. I want to know what does an actuary does on an average day in the office. They wake up, they go to the office. What do they do? Let's say that an actuary in their job, they analyze a lot of data and trends, big samples to see what happened. And using the data that happened in the past, they build these models, these predictive models, to try and figure out what's going to happen in the future. By using these models and other formulas and other strategies, they can price products. For example, let's say you show car insurance. You want to figure out how much you should ask your customers to pay for premium. And actually, you can figure that using finance and profit. They also assess financial risk. You can work in big companies, see the risk of a certain decision, maybe a new project perhaps. And they use probabilities a lot. They have to calculate a lot of probabilities, a lot of the likelihood of certain events occurring, right? So thanks to all these skills that actuaries have, they can work in a lot of things. Insurance companies, consulting firms, banks and investment banks, pension funds, even in the government. Here are some examples: Deloitte, Commonwealth Bank, Australian Silver, the government, of course. Okay, let's say you're in. You're convinced. How can I become an actuary? Well, step number one, you need to go to college, right? You need a degree. You can seek a degree in actuarial studies or maybe finance or math, but the easiest path is a degree in actuarial studies. Number two, you gotta pass the Actuarial Institute exam. Well, at least here in Australia. This is different from your normal uni exams. Completely different thing, but they are a must to become an actuary. A lot of study. It's it's a challenge, to be honest. Number three, after that, you need some work experience. You need to go out there, work, see what's going on. And after that, you're gonna become an associate. In step number four, you're finally gonna become an actuary. And as you go further down in your career, you're gonna become a fellow. That's like the top three actuaries. You're gonna get this golden medal right here. Okay. So if this is slightly catching your attention, you can visit the Actuarial Institute website using this QR code to get more information, even more detailed information than the one I'm providing. And that's the end of this presentation. So thank you a lot for listening. If this seems curious or interesting to you, or maybe you're a future actuary in the making. So thank you very much. Have a good day. See you guys around.